Hello everyone, it's another Kira Cash Checker Credit, and today we're getting sauced up. I figured out how to make my own seafood boil sauce, and it's spicy, delicious. If you want to know how to make this quick, easy sauce, stay tuned. Alright, so the remainder of this video is me just showing you what I added to my seafood boil that day. These are the things that I just had on hand. So I had some shrimp, smoked sausage, potatoes, corn, hot dogs. You can make whatever variation you like for your boil. Comment down below and tell me what you like in your boils. You like them spicy or garlicky? I like them all of the above. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this with somebody you know. Share this easy sauce. The only thing I had to really purchase was the chili paste. Hello. Watch this. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. Let's just finish this up. Like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. Thank you so much.